where the world would be. We believe that unimagined is undone. We believe that the world should not be deprived of things just because they haven't been thought of yet. And that's why, with Axis Bank Thought Factory, we've started on this whole new journey to harness the potential of imagination. Thought Factory is our innovation lab that will be the powerhouse for enthusiastic, innovative, and entrepreneurial partners to collaborate in an ecosystem where never-seen-before solutions come to life. It has 3 distinct entities within it to foster this movement of original thinking. Through the in-house incubator, we challenge our team to do more, think more, innovate more, and find and fuel the entrepreneurs within the bank.
From the time I heard about this program, I've been excited to be a part of it. You won't get this kind of exposure anywhere else.
When I first came to know about this idea, I was really thrilled. Getting a chance to let your thoughts flow freely is really empowering.
Through our bespoke accelerator program, we will work with curated startups over a 3-month period, where they not only get access to basic office infrastructure, but also to seasoned mentors from Axis Bank, Startup Ecosystem and Zone Startups. They also get a proof of concept to validate their business model, coupled with an opportunity for further strategic engagement.
Standing next to some of the biggest names in the industry will be a great experience for startups. It will contribute significantly to the way we build products.
From the time I've heard about this program, I've been excited to be part of it. You won't get this kind of exposure anywhere else.
Socialize, meet, and learn from technology experts through curated events and interactions at the social space. A vibrant ecosystem, global players from international banks, technology experts, academia, and more awaits you at Thought Factory. So, if you've got that touch of brilliance that sees the world in a different light, if you're an innovator, thinker, or entrepreneur that wants to be a part of a brand new first, then come join us at the Thought Factory and be a part of this exciting new venture that will challenge what the world thinks is possible.